Derivan Screen Printing Starter Kit for paper. And we have one for fabric as well. But we're going to have a look at the one for paper and see just what is in the box. All the things that you need to do a screen print. I don't know, poster, cards, Christmas cards, birthday cards. Okay, so we've got the screen. That's pretty necessary when you're silkscreen printing. And the squeegee. And this is the, I call it resist, but everyone else seems to call it drawing fluid. But you put the design on with that. You use the block out to then go over it and block it out, obviously. You wash that out and then you're away with these colours and a bit of printing gel. That's cool. And there's even a palette knife to put the paint on and a brush, obviously, to help you apply both the drawing fluid and the block out. So for full step-by-step instructions on how to do the whole lot from go to woe, they're all down in the description below, and there are videos connected in there too. So that's the screen printing starter kit. Why not go out and give it a go? And don't forget to subscribe.